Someone made this web, but I didn't.
You didn't?
I didn't, but someone else did. Oh!
Hey Malachi, what you got there? Oh, Batman's falling.
No, it's not Batman. It's the other guy. This is the guy.
Oh, just a guy.
Help! But it really is Batman, though.
It really is.
Help! It's just a guy. I'm pretending it's just a guy.
Okay.
Help! Hey!
Junk
you
drawer.
knocked him off. Help! I'm making.
Isaiah, can you web him? He's falling. Press the button to make 2 webs.
I'm doing something right now.
Oh, Spider-Man.
Saves, not just do play. Well, he's getting hooked by webs. Pretend the webs are alive. No, it's not. Yes, this webs is alive for me, but not for me. Oh, I'm getting hooked up here.
It's Isaiah's little tornado maker. Isaiah, turn on your tornado real quick.
Okay.
Hurry. I'm gonna watch it.
How about let's don't hook to it, okay?
Full power.
Hey, how about you don't live here, you just play around here? No, I just want to live. We can make other spots too. But you can find new web homes. But this is the greatest one. You can make more web homes.
Hi, Malachi.
You can make more web homes.